Hello, it's Joe Follico for Insignia Futures and Options. In this video, I'll explain the benefits of having a trading plan when investing, so stay with me. I've been a futures broker for over 20 years, and in that time, I've seen many traders come and go. I think one of the characteristics that set good traders apart is their approach to trading. Clients who have been with us a long time tend to approach trading with clear objectives and typically have a predetermined trading plan. Having a clear objective for each and every trade placed can help you with the discipline needed to trade futures and options. Too often I see clients who keep holding on to losing trades, just watching their losses grow and grow. When I ask them what their objective or strategy is in holding these ever-mounting losses, I typically hear the same thing. I'm waiting for the market to turn around so I could break even. Unfortunately, most of the time the market turn never comes or comes too late and the client ends up with a huge loss. In speaking with our clients, it seems to me that many place their futures trades with no clear profit and loss objectives or only know their loss objective. Although it's a good idea to use stop orders, you must also know your profit objective before entering any trade. If you don't, how do you know where to take profits? Let me use this simple analogy. Let's say you're planning a road trip. You check the oil, tire pressure, and maybe even get a tune-up for your car. These are all preventative measures which are very smart things to do. You certainly wouldn't want to head out on a long road trip and have a tire blow out in the middle of nowhere because you didn't know your tires were underinflated. So you've checked your tires before you left. Think of this as your stop order. Now it's time to leave. Do you know where you're going? Of course you do. You've programmed your GPS to get you to your final destination. Think of your destination as your profit target when trading futures. Again, when speaking with clients about their futures trading, some will use stop orders, some don't. But typically most don't have a profit target set. When I ask what their profit objective is, many will simply state that they'll just let the trade go and see what happens. The problem with this wait and see method is that you'll never know when you've reached your profit target or destination. Just like your road trip, you wouldn't get into your car and just start driving with no destination in mind, so don't trade futures without a profit destination in mind either. If you only have a loss objective, you'll most likely get there first as it's the only thing you've planned for. To successfully plan your futures and options trades, you need to set both profit and loss objectives before entering any positions. Trading this way gives you a clear roadmap as to where you're going. Let's look at how a simple trading plan can be set up using specific dollar amounts. For example, looking at a daily micro crude oil futures chart, we see prices have been trending upwards and we'd like to go long. In this example, we are willing to risk $500 and our profit target will be $2,000. But again, these objectives need to be identified before entering the market. Once our risk and profit targets are determined, we could enter our order to establish a position. The most crucial part of this plan is to stick with it. One way to do this is to enter stop and limit orders as our risk and profit objectives. Of course, setting these goals does not guarantee that the market will move to our prices, but at least it gives us a roadmap to follow. We could adjust our plan accordingly if something changes in the market, just like a detour on a road trip. Of course, there are many ways to determine risk and profit targets when trading, which is beyond the scope of this video. I hope you're finding this video informative. Please take a moment to click the like and subscribe buttons below if you'd like to see more videos like these. Now, I'm certainly not suggesting that planning trades will guarantee profits. I'm simply saying if you have your objectives set, it will be much easier to take profits rather than waiting to see what happens. Without profit objectives, you may have a nice profit one day only to see it disappear the next day because you had no plan to take profits in the first place. The point I want to emphasize in this video is simple. Plan your trades and trade your plans. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or feel free to contact me directly. I'll be happy to help.